How's it going, my how-to friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn some dark, disgusting, and downright dingy seat embroidery and turn it nice and clean again for on the cheap. So these headrests were pulled from a 2008 Chevy Impala SS, but a lot of different manufacturers, especially General Motors, love to do embroidery in the headrest or the seat, and it's very common with some age to get disgusting. So to clean it, very simple process. Have a thing of LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe Lavender. I imagine you can really use just about anything, especially like Dawn, and a thing of paper towels. So this, I believe my wife picked up from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna use, in combination, these two with some water, a little bit of scrubbing, and it will look darn right almost new again. We definitely want to dilute this a bit, so I'll put a couple drops of soap on here, get some water, kind of mix it up right here. So it's pretty crazy. You'll be able to see this transformation really quick. Now, if this is your first time doing this, and especially if you're using a different product like Dawn, I highly suggest just kind of working on a little corner, maybe some spot that's a little more inconspicuous, to just make sure that it's not gonna really mess up the embroidery. And certainly avoid using something like a Tide stick or even like bleach, because you can definitely damage and stain this. I think we can do a little bit better, so I added a little more soap to this one. As you can see, a little bit of scrubbing goes a long way. Just make sure you don't scrub hard enough to damage any of the stitching, but here you can see it's still in great shape. Definitely got some crud off of this thing. So again, here's the before, there's the after. For reference, we have a very white index card. Now this won't be a very good comparison for this one because it's still not as white, nor will it really ever be. I don't know that it was this white to begin with, but hopefully you can see for a reference the difference between the before and the after. So now we'll go ahead and scrub this one to try to make it as clean as this one. Midway through, you can see how great of a comparison this is. Very big difference. Here is the finalized product. I personally think it turned out absolutely amazing, especially compared to the before. Now the beauty of this is not only is it cheap to do, it's extremely simple, and also you don't have to remove, say, the headrest, or if the embroidery is mid-level seat, you don't have to remove the entire seat to do this. You can do it while still in the vehicle. The only reason I removed the headrest is so you can get a better angle of me cleaning them. So if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing for more automotive how-to awesomeness. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or other recommendations, drop a comment down below. That being said, I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you friends next time.